welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Priscilla. I'm a lifestyle and travel blogger based in Texas. I hope y'all are enjoying your start to spring. This is my favorite time of the year, my favorite season. If y'all have been following me on the channel for a while, you probably have picked up on that because I do a lot of videos around this time, mostly because the weather is just like so nice in San Antonio in the spring. It's not quite like, you know, extreme Texas heat yet. We have Fiesta to look forward to, all of the Texas wildflowers and bluebonnets, which, by the way, I've already seen some in my area, which is just so exciting. And I just love being outdoors with the kids and just like, you know, creating and showing all these beautiful moments with them. And of course, we're in our new home. We've been doing a lot at the house. We're still gearing up for our housewarming. So I do have some home updates to share with y'all. I know a lot of you come here for San Antonio content, so I do promise to be out and about. I do want to go to Bluebonnet Field, and we did promise the kids that we would take them to the zoo, so I will definitely vlog that little outing as well, because the San Antonio Zoo is really beautiful. And Easter's coming up. We're actually hosting Easter this year, first time in our new home. And later today, John and I are actually going on a day date to celebrate a really big moment and change in my life, in my professional life. So I will share that with y'all as well. Before I forget, don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy this content. I do want to share with y'all the entryway at the front of our house because we have finally finished styling it. So this is how we chose to style the entryway. This was a really big deal for me because we didn't have like a foyer in our previous home. So I was just so excited to style this little area here. But this is what everybody will see when they walk in. And also this piece here from Z Gallery, it actually was back ordered. So if you like this, it will take about 3 months to come in, but it's totally worth it. Okay, so I just got ready super fast. I didn't have a lot of time. Threw on this old H&M dress that I wear pretty much 3 out of the 4 seasons of the year, but it's perfect for transition to spring or even transition to fall. And then I've just got my Gucci bag on, my favorite black tights from Express. I think these boots are from Lulu's, and I also have my favorite Swarovski crystal earrings that I wear every single day. So this is the look. We are actually going out to lunch to celebrate. It's kind of like a late lunch, early dinner. So I will tell you what we're celebrating a little bit later. Okay guys, so we are headed to the zoo today. This is my casual OOTD. I will link this spring summer maxi down below in the description box. Glasses are from Tiffany's.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cup my tea. I can take what I need to get by, doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart won't show.
Oh, that is hilarious.
Somewhere in the great unknown, when I return from the afterglow, Will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone.
So it is the next day, and I just wanted to chat with you guys for a bit. We did go to the San Antonio Zoo yesterday. It was really nice. My dad actually met us there, which was, really good memories to have him there with the kids. And it was Audrey's first time to the zoo. I think my overall tips are definitely to go early. So check their website, see when they're opening. Yesterday they opened at 9 a.m. So we got there about 9:15, and there was a good amount of people there, but there was still plenty of parking. But by 11:30, the sun was coming out, and this is only April. So you can imagine, like, if you're coming here in the summer, it would be so hot by noon. So definitely go early to avoid the big crowds and also the hot weather. It's been about 2.5 or 3 years, like pre-COVID, since we last went to the zoo. So I think the biggest changes I noticed was, number one, no elephants anymore. I'm not sure why. And then number two, everything is digital now. So you do have to purchase your tickets like beforehand online, like we did, or they have QR codes that you can scan, kind of like as you're walking up to the main entrance. There's signs with the QR code, but it's all digital now. So the ticket booths where I remember walking up to and buying tickets are no longer there. So also, I wanted to share with you guys, as I mentioned at the top of this video, that I do have some good news. It's more of professional news. I know I don't really talk about my full-time job too much on social, but basically it is a really big deal, and I do share a lot with you guys. So yeah, I have decided, or I accepted another offer with another marketing agency based out of New York City. I will be working remotely in San Antonio, as I always have, but it's a really big change for me because I've been with my current employer for 8 or 9 years. So yeah, it's a big deal, and you guys wish me luck. I'm so excited. And post-COVID times, I'm just really grateful and just blessed for this opportunity. And that's actually why we were out celebrating a couple days ago. Wanted to go out and have a nice dinner and drinks with John, which is something rare we get to do. We always have the kids. Okay, so a little bit later, I'm actually going to head out to a bluebonnet field that I have seen recently. I drove past it a couple days ago and was like, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. But I was on my way to do something. So going to go back later at sunset and get some video and hopefully show you guys this beautiful Texas bluebonnet field. Hello, happy Sunday. This is how we love to spend our weekends here at the new house, just outside the back patio with the kids. And then lately, because we've really come a long way in the backyard on the patio, it was just so nice to come out here during the day when it's not too hot, sunset. Today, John's barbecuing actually on his new Traeger, which he's so excited about. And I'm excited to eat some barbecue a little bit later. But the kids just love coming back here and just exploring, playing with the balls, listening to the neighbors' dogs, and just there's flowers and rocks and all kinds of things back here. So it just really is a good time. And this is exactly what we were picturing when we moved into this house. I just remember touring it and coming back here with all the space and just thinking what a nice setup and how blessed it would, we would be to live here. And now it's really happening, and it's just so exciting. But I love coming back here with the new fire pit that we got. I'm so happy with it because I think quality to price is really worth it. I'll be sure to link it down below because it's not crazy expensive. It's so nice. Anyway, we're just gonna enjoy the rest of our Sunday before we have barbecue in a bit. Good morning, guys. So it's the next day and I just wanted to show y'all the fence because we actually stained it. John did such a good job. This color is actually, we picked it up from Home Depot, and this is not our first attempt. We did another color first. It was kind of like a cedar, and I just didn't really like it, so we went back and got this gray color, which I think looks good and it matches the rest of the house. Really happy with how it turned out, but if you're interested in this color, let me know. I'll link it below. Happy Easter, guys. Wow. Hello everybody, happy Easter Sunday if you celebrate. It's currently about 10 o'clock. We've already had a really busy morning. We woke up early. The kids had a visit from the Easter Bunny last night, so they were very happy and grateful, surprised to see their baskets this morning. It's always a really nice moment for us too, as the parents, just to kind of see their reaction. And I'm already ready for the day, but I still have to get the kids ready. John and I are cleaning up. The family will be here about 1 o'clock. John is also making a brisket this year on his new Traeger. So we're really excited about that. His brisket is so good. It's like such a process though. So he had to check it several times during the night. And then a rental company came just a bit ago to drop off a moon bounce that we rented for the day for the kids. So I think that'll be really fun. We haven't had one at this house yet. So hopefully that keeps the kids entertained throughout the day. Okay, so this is the Easter OOTD. This dress I've had since last year, but I think it is still available from Shein. It comes in a few different colors, and it's just really easy breezy and comfortable. It does run a little big, so if you're between sizes, I suggest sizing down. I also am wearing my favorite little dangles from Swarovski, and then these ballet flats, which are so pretty for special occasions. I got these a couple months ago from Dillard's or Macy's, but they're actually way more comfortable than I thought they were going to be, and they're so pretty. But yeah, this is the Easter OOTD. That's going to conclude this video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. If you celebrated Easter, I hope you had a blessed Easter. Stay tuned because my next video will be a housewarming video where I kind of break down all the days leading up to our housewarming. So stay tuned for that. Again, thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one.